If your oven's cooling fan, convection fan, or vent fan are not working, here are the two most probable causes. The fan motor could be defective. Try turning the fan blades or blower wheel by hand. If the blades or wheel do not turn freely, it's likely the motor bearings have seized. You can also use a multimeter to test the fan motor for electrical continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the motor tests negative for continuity, you'll know the part is defective and will need to be replaced. If the fan motor tests positive for continuity, it's possible the oven control board is faulty and unable to send power to the motor. Using the appliance's wiring diagram, you can test the motor's incoming power terminals with a multimeter when the fan should be running. If the motor is not receiving power, then the control board is likely at fault, and you will need to install a new board to fix the problem. Cooling fan motors, convection fan motors, vent fan motors, and control boards are all available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven.